Hi everyone, J7409 Weather here with you. Since lunchtime today, of course, Tuesday the 7th day of May 2019, I want to run something by you right quick. Since lunchtime, the tornado outlook now has risen to 15% in this area. The wind, 60 to 80 mile per hour winds or more now, 45% in this area. And the hail is 45% in parts of Texas, a lot of the Texas Panhandle, and parts of Oklahoma. The most severe weather, of course, is from Texas. All this portion of Texas going up to Oklahoma, Missouri, Illinois, coming across Kansas, parts of Colorado, and parts of New Mexico. This is the most stressful area on the map for severe weather. But please don't let that take you off your guard, because anywhere in the green a severe thunderstorm could pop up in the lighter green, anywhere. Don't let it catch you off guard. Also, a portion of Florida right in here. It just should not be as severe. You see the first area I marked out, that's going to be the most severe area, and you can see how it tightens up until you get this amount. I'm going to try to do this just as quickly as possible. This is for Tulsa, Oklahoma, and Miami, Oklahoma. Today and tonight, you have a chance of tornado. It's looking like also west central Arkansas as well as eastern Oklahoma. Okay, this is after midnight tonight. Today and tonight, or late this afternoon, it's a chance of tornado. It's limited. Areas west of Highway 75 in northeast Oklahoma, and it really should start with the onset after midnight. The severe risk of just severe thunderstorms is also limited. It's along and west of a Bartlesville to Tulsa area, also to McAllister to the Hugo line. Onsets after midnight. Everything in northeast Oklahoma, including the flooding, it's onset after midnight. Everything is. Now, there is a limited risk of severe storms after midnight tonight for areas along and west of Highway 75 in eastern Oklahoma. Damaging winds are the primary threat, but an isolated short-lived tornado and large hail are possible. Locally heavy rainfall and flash flooding are possible as well. Now, this line of thunderstorms is expected to sweep across eastern Oklahoma, mainly northeast Oklahoma, after midnight tonight. So you've got a chance of flooding, you have a chance of tornadoes, and you have a big chance of severe thunderstorms. Please be aware. Once again, this for Miami, Oklahoma, and Tulsa, Oklahoma. Once again, these are just a few places I've looked up. There will be many, many more. Now, this is for Crosbyton, Texas. It's a hazardous weather outlook for the southern plains, rolling plains, and far southern Texas Panhandle. Now, you have widespread severe thunderstorms that are expected late this afternoon and evening across the entire region. The greatest risk will occur across the northern rolling plains and extreme southeastern Texas Panhandle. Hail to the size of baseballs and wind gusts of 70 to 80 miles per hour will be likely, with isolated tornadoes. In addition, of course, the heavy rain may cause some localized flooding. So if you live in any of these areas, please be aware as the afternoon grows older. This is for Dallas, Texas. It's a hazardous weather outlook. It's for Dallas and north and central Texas. today and tonight. You're going to get some scattered thunderstorms that are possible this afternoon and evening, with the highest chances across central Texas. Now, the potential for severe weather with this activity is low, but stronger cells may support some small hail and gusty winds. Now, very late tonight, you got that line of storms that's expected to move into the area from the northwest, and the threat with it is primarily and predominantly damaging winds. The winds is going to blow. Now, when we hop over to tomorrow, Wednesday through Monday, check this out. A line of storms is going to continue spreading through your area on Wednesday morning, tomorrow morning, with a threat for damaging winds and flooding. The greatest chance for severe weather is Wednesday morning. It will be across North Texas, and the severe weather potential is going to shift south of I-20 tomorrow afternoon as this line continues moving eastward. Now, if additional isolated storms develop ahead of the line during the afternoon hours tomorrow, they could be severe, with a threat for hail and a tornado or two, as you see. Now, there is some potential for damaging winds, isolated hail, and localized flooding that may persist across central and east Texas tomorrow night. Additional rounds of showers and thunderstorms will be possible late this week, also into the weekend, with the most likely time being Saturday, with localized flooding will be the main concern at that time, although a few storms could produce small, marginally severe hail. That's for the Dallas area. And wrapping it up in the Houston area, Houston, Texas area, this hazardous weather is for portions of southeast Texas. Now, today and tonight, showers and thunderstorms should develop over the coast and Gulf waters before spreading inland, mostly along and west of I-45 by the early afternoon hours, and then better concentrating over the northern zones by this evening. Now, locally heavy rainfall, damaging wind, and hail will be the main weather hazards. Now, as we go on, Wednesday through Monday, strong storms are possible. Tomorrow into Thursday, as another upper-level disturbance moves across the region. This feature can also produce scattered showers and thunderstorms, and some of the storms could produce heavy rain and localized flooding, along with damaging winds and hail, and also isolated tornadoes will be possible. Now, another upper-level disturbance coupled with an approaching cold front will set the stage for more strong thunderstorms coming into play probably on Friday into the weekend, and the cold front will stall over southeast Texas Friday and Saturday, and a series of upper-level disturbances coupled with the front and abundant moisture will create a favorable environment for heavy rain for both days. So that's a quick check of what's going on for places that some of this severe weather is going to hatch up probably late this afternoon or after midnight tonight. Everybody stay safe, be blessed, watch your skies, and if you do have flooding, please do not try to walk through it or drive through it. Wait till it goes down so you can leave safely. Between people driving through water and storm surge, those are the two biggest killers in severe weather. This is National Hurricane Preparedness Week. I hope everyone's getting everything together. I love you guys so much, and I hope to see you again real soon with some good weather. Be safe, be blessed, keep your eyes on the sky and everything around you. Peace, love, and kindness to all. Thanks for watching.